To install Mic Zero, first unzip the downloaded file and initiate the installation by running the executable file. It may take a while to prepare the installation. Read the license agreement, accept the terms, and click Next to continue. Model engines and dialogues are installed by default, but you can select associated examples to install as well. Also, some programs include specific language versions for you to choose from. Now, select your license type. You can always specify the license after the installation. Click Install to begin installing Mic Zero. Click Finish to end the installation, and now you can open Mic Zero in demo mode.